So in this class we discuss about our topic distance and displacement, motion, rest and uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So first of all I am going to introduce our chapter. Name is force and motion. So what do you mean by motion? How do we define a motion? Motion of any object we define as when any object change our position with respect to surrounding or any fixed point is known as motion, and other hand rest if any object do not change our position with fixed point or with respect to surrounding is known as rest. So according to our day 1 we study about distance and displacement. So first of all, what do you mean by distance? I am going to sharing a slide based upon a distance. In this slide, display one position is home and another position is office. So Radha traveling toward the home to office with a road which path along a red line. Its total distance is 22 km. So distance is defined as total path covered by an object or total path covered by a radha. So this 22 km is known as distance. Distance never depend upon path. And other is displacement. So displacement is depend upon initial and final position. Initial position means starting point and final position ending point. So any shortest distance or shortest path in between initial position to final position is known as displacement. So displacement is always straight line. Any shortest path is always straight line. So displacement is defined as any shortest distance between initial position to final position. So we differentiate distance and displacement. We know that distance is total path and displacement is position change initial to final position. Distance has a magnitude but no direction. But in case of displacement, it has magnitude as well as direction. So what do you mean by magnitude? Magnitude means value, quantity. For example, distance 22 kilometer. So 22 is a magnitude. But no direction because Radha have a no direction. Firstly, he goes straight, after turn right, then turn left, then reach our office. But in case of displacement, Radha follows straight path. It has direction also. So distance is never be negative. But in case of displacement, it will be 0 as well as negative. So our next topic was uniform and non-uniform motion. So what do you mean by uniform? For example, in school, everyone have a similar dress code is known as uniform. Uniform means similar, same, and non-uniform, non-similar. So in case of uniform, when any object travel equal distance and equal given of time, so is known as uniform motion. For example, in this slide we consider 0 1 2 3 second, and every 1 second object cover 5 meter. So same time and same distance covered by an object is known as uniform motion. In other hand, if it is a non-uniform, then in a particular time, in a 1 second, cover unequal distance. For example, 5 meter, 7 meter is known as non-uniform motion. I am going to share a slide for uniform motion. For example, at 9:30 to 9:45, 10 meter. Next 10 a.m. to 10:15, 10 meter. So in each case, object covered 10 meter. So in every 15 minute it cover 10 meter. So it is a uniform motion. But in case of non-uniform motion, an object have 15 minute but distance is unequal. In a first 15 minute it covers 7 meter, and next 15 minute cover 4 meter, then 12, then 2, then 4, then 3. So unequal distance but equal time interval, so that is known as non-uniform motion. Hope all of you clear this topic. So anyone have any confusion related to this topic, you have to text me or call me anytime. Thank you.